Hello, everybody. Today, let's divide the polynomial of 3x squared minus 5x plus 2 by the polynomial of 4x. Now, notice that 4x is only a one-termed polynomial, and so that's called a monomial. So here, now notice that 3x squared minus 5x plus 2 has three terms, which are 3x squared, negative 5x, and 2. And so this first polynomial has three terms, which is called a trinomial. And so here today, we are dividing a trinomial by a monomial of 4x. To do that, we can make a fraction out of this situation. So let's type in 3x squared minus 5x plus 2 over 4x. Now, in order to divide this, we can put each term in the numerator over the 4x. And so the first term is 3x squared, so we'll put that over the 4x. The next term is negative 5x, not plus 5x, but literally negative 5x, because subtracting is the same as adding a negative. And so since we're adding a negative 5x, the next term is literally a negative 5x. And we'll put that over the 4x. And then the last term is 2, so it's going to be plus 2 over 4x. Okay, now let's do each of these separate divisions. So we have 3 over 4, which we can think of as 0.75, or 3/4, whichever you prefer, doesn't matter. And then we have x squared over x, which is just x. And the way to divide these expressions is to subtract the exponents. So we have the same base. So bring down the same base, which is x, and we're going to subtract 2 minus 1, which is 1, which just gives us x. Okay, now I have a minus. Okay, now 5 over 4, that's 1.25. And that's x over x, which is just going to give us 1. And 1.25 times 1 is just the 1.25. And then plus 2 over 4 is 0.5. Then we have x at the bottom, so that's over x. Okay, now notice that this answer we get is not a polynomial. And why is that? The idea is why? We'll pause the video and think about it. Then we'll come back in 3. 1, 2, 3. Well, what did you decide? Okay, well, this is not a polynomial because we have x in the denominator, and that's like saying 0.5 and over x is like saying x to negative 1, and in order to have a polynomial, the exponent must be a counting or a natural number. And negative 1 is not a natural number, and there's really no way to get rid of it either, okay? So we are stuck with this negative 1 or this over x, which makes this answer not be a polynomial. Now, sometimes we actually do get a polynomial, but this time we don't get a polynomial as the answer. So that is, a polynomial divided by another polynomial may or may not be a polynomial. Okay, and that's how to divide a polynomial by a monomial.